So for this example, we're going to talk about how we can sketch the angle of 2 pi over 3 on the Cartesian plane in standard form. As a recap, remember when we're in terms of radians, here's our starting point over here. This is 0 radians. Remember that this is pi over 2 radians. This is pi radians. This is 1.5 radians. We're going to call that 3 pi over 2 radians. And then that's 2 pi radians to complete the circle there. So when we're asking to sketch the angle 2 pi over 3 in standard form and then determine the quadrant that it terminates in, the quadrant that it ends in, we can kind of just ignore the pi's here and ask ourselves, well, where is 2/3 found? Is 2/3 between 0 and 1/2? Is 2/3 between 1/2 and 1? Is 2/3 between 1 and 1 and 1/2? Or is 2/3 between 1 and 1/2 and 2? And 2/3 is the same thing as saying 0.66666 as a decimal, which is in between 1/2 and 1. It's in between 0.5 and 1. So what that's telling us is that this angle is going to be over here in quadrant 2. Now, when we sketch the angle, again, we have to show that it is positive. So we're going to start here at the initial side, at the positive x-axis, and we're going to sketch our angle going in a counterclockwise position.